friends, how are you all today? Welcome to Grandma's Tales, one more insightful episode. We just completed our Design Your Day, Sky is Not the Limit. Today I am starting another series of that is Design Your Life. And sky is not the limit. Alright. Let us see what all we can do to design our life, right? According to me, there are 3 P's, okay? It could be differ from other people's P, what you get from the Google, but I'll tell you the 3. The first is position, second is power, third is paisa. Yes, of course you heard paisa. Now don't tell me that is not P. Paisa is money. I didn't say that. This is about English. Okay. So position, power and paisa. The 3 P's which I think design your life. But irrespective of the caste you have taken birth, the position you have, or the paisa, the money you have, you can make a better life. In Grandma's Tales coming series, we are going to discuss this, how to make a better life. The first thing I am going to discuss today is etiquette or manners. Okay. When you say about etiquette or your manners, I would suggest keep a smile on your face always. This can not only lighten up your day, but the other people's day also. When you smile at a person, definitely out of 10, 5 you will get back. Isn't it? So always keep a smile on your face. And the second etiquette or the manners you have to always do is say hello, namaste, how are you? When you meet a person, keep a smile, smilingly ask him or her, how are you? Good morning. Definitely this will cheer up that person, cheer up you. You don't have to pay for all these things, no? These things are free of cost, which you can do yourself. The position, power and paisa don't have any role in these 2 things. Smile and saying hello, namaste, how are you, kemcho, all these things you don't have to pay for this. So, designing your life, these things always you remember. Keep good manners. Okay, we will continue in our next episode. Now we are going towards the second part of Grandma's Tales, which is the Ramayana Tales, which I tell to my viewers, my little viewers always. Alright. In Ramayana Tales, we saw that Rama, Lakshmana and Sita Devi, they are all ready to go to the forest. Sita Devi and Lakshmana took the permission from Kausalya Devi. Now it's the time to take permission from Sumitra Devi, the mother of Lakshmana, which is very important. The advice Sumitra Devi gives to her son Lakshmana is very important. All mothers should learn this and act upon this, I would suggest. Shall we see what is the advice? She is saying to Lakshmana that, son, you are going to forest with your elder brother, and there will not be your father with you. So give Rama the position of your father. Message Sumitra Devi is giving to Lakshmana and all other sons who are listening this, that your elder brother is like your father only. The second advice Sumitra Devi is giving to Lakshmana is, treat your sister-in-law, that is Sita Devi, like your mother. Means you have to treat your sister-in-law as mother. That too, the eldest one is just like your mother. The third advice Sumitra Devi giving to her son is, protect forest. She is saying, always respect the trees, the river, the air, the atmosphere. Don't do any harm to the nature. We celebrate Environment Day, Save Earth Day. So many days we celebrate to protect the nature, no. But this simple advice is given by Devi to her son 7,000 years ago. Isn't it wonderful? I think we should all learn these messages from Ramayana. So, after taking the permission from Sumitra Devi, Rama, Lakshmana, Sita Devi went to Dasharatha Maharaja's palace. Actually, he was staying with Kaikeyi at that time because he fainted there after hearing the news from Kaikeyi, and he is there. They went there to take permission from Dasharatha Maharaja and Kaikeyi, saying that, we are all ready to go, mother. So Kaikeyi, suddenly she cheered up. She was so happy. She didn't expect that Rama will agree so soon. This heartbreaking decision of Kaikeyi, but Rama was so cool about that. He said, I'm ready to go, no problem. So, as if she was expecting this to happen, she kept ready the dress, the particular dresses which have to be worn while going to the forest as saints, sannyasis. That is called Marauri. Rama and Lakshmana wore their respective dresses, but Sita Devi didn't know how to wear it. So Rama took that from Sita Devi and tied it on top of it. Everybody was so sad seeing this because the lady, the perfect lady of Ayodhya, the Dharma Patni of Sri Rama, cladded in a Marauri. Sita Devi used to wear so elegant, fabulous dresses. Now she is wearing this Marauri. Seeing this, all the prajas, all the people around become so sad and they started crying. And Vasishta Muni, the Kulaguru of Dasharatha Maharaja, and got so angry and he shouted. He said, Rama and Lakshmana may wear the Marauri, but not Sita. She should accompany Rama and Lakshmana perfectly like a queen, dressed up all in her fineries. So, again she wore all her dress and giving dakshina to all the people, all the prajas, all the servants, doing namaskaram to all. Rama, Lakshmana, Sita Devi, they are off to the forest for 14 years. Hearing this, seeing this, all the prajas of Ayodhya Puri said, no, no, no. Where Rama is not there, we are also not going to stay. Saying this, they also accompanied Rama, Sita Devi and Lakshmana while Sumitra was riding the Ratha, and all of them went to the border of Ayodhyapuri. For the night they stayed at the bank of Tamasa river, Tamasa Nadi, Tamasa river. By the time they reached the border, the Tamasa river, it was about to fall dark. Night was about to happen, night time. Then Sri Rama said to Sumandran that if the people get up in the morning, they will not allow me to go. So what you should do is just mislead them. You have to run the Ratha in the direction of Ayodhyapuri first, then take another direction, and we will leave now itself. Saying this, they went, they started their Vanavasa, and they reached the river Ganga. So the first part of our sloka, which we started on the first episode, ends here. Purvam Rama Tapovanadi Gamanam. Rama, Lakshmana and Sita Devi went to the forest. We will continue in the next episode. Moving to the third part of the Grandma's Tales, it is the Grow Green Project of Abhyuday. Soaked, then germinated long beans, and he literally planted it in the earth and it sprouted as a big creeper. You can see what Abhyuday has done with his Grow Green project.
This is long bean seed. Well soak. One day. And one more time.
Okay friends, that's all for the time being with Grandma's Tales. Like, share and subscribe. Please comment in the comment box. Keep in touch with me. Lots of love from Grandma. Keep loving, stay happy always. As I said in the beginning, smile. Keep a smile on your face. It could cheer up your life, other people's life. Tata, bye bye. Till we meet next time. Keep smiling, keep smiling, keep smiling. Bye bye.